Hey guys, this is Vinay and welcome to my channel Code Fleet. And today we are going to be talking about what is Python and where we use it and who uses it. I mean, which company uses Python and why do they use it. So first, let's see this Python. We have Wikipedia open here, and it says that Python is an interpreted high-level and general-purpose language created by Guido van Rossum. That's a great name. And first released in 1991, so it's kind of old. So what is interpreted? Yes, okay, it's interpreted and it is also high-level language, but what is interpreted? So here we have an interpreted language is a type of programming language for which most of its implementation executes instructions directly and freely without previously compiling a program into machine language instructions. So if you have learned C++ or other language like that, it first compile the program, changes into a machine language, and then execute it. Okay, so but Python, what Python does, it directly execute the code without compiling it. It directly and freely execute the code without changing it into a machine language. And here the interpreter executes the program directly, translating each statement into a sequence of one or more subroutines and then into another language. First it executes, then it translates into the machine code. That's what the interpreted. Here we have this high-level programming language. So what is high-level programming language? There is also a keyword low-level programming language, but we will not going to be talking about that here because we are talking about Python here, and it is a high-level programming language. So in computer science, a high-level programming language is a programming language with strong abstraction from the details of the if you know what abstraction is, if you don't know, just go and read about it. It's a great topic. In contrast to low-level programming language, here comes the word. It may use natural language element, be easier to use, or may automate significant areas of computer system. Kind of a technical thing that you don't need to understand that much, but just remember that it's a high-level programming language and not a low-level programming language. So here we are. Where Python is used. Okay, that's an interesting topic if you ask me. So here we have, it is used in web development. Okay, if you have heard about Django or Flask, they both are the framework of Python, and that is used in the web development area. And if you want to know, you can search about it. Game development, Pygame and those libraries. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, that's the topic that I love the most because I also do data science and machine learning. Data science and data visualization is the next, and then desktop GUI. I mean, you can also build software with Python, that's a common thing. Web scraping applications like Beautiful Soap and those other things. I just don't remember all the things here. Business applications, audio and video applications, CAD application, embedded applications, and so on and so on. So what I like most is here is data science, data visualization, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. That's where the Python is most being used right now in this era. It is mostly used in machine learning, artificial intelligence. Well, if you're going for the artificial intelligence and data science, then it is a must language, and there's also a language R, but it comes later. But first you will have to learn Python. It's not that it depends on that, but it's easy to understand. So here comes 8 world-class software companies that use Python. Okay, that's something great too. I mean, we all want to land a job on the Google, Facebook, Microsoft. That's something great to hear. Okay, so first one is here, Industrial Light and Magic. Okay, I don't know which company is this, but I guess they're telling us what it is. It's a special effects powerhouse that was founded in 1975 by George Lucas to create the FX for Star Wars. So come on guys, if you don't know what Star Wars is, I can't help you here. The next one is Google. Okay, so we all know Google, Facebook, Instagram. Instagram is owned by Facebook. Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, Netflix. We all know about Netflix, right? Dropbox, Reddit. Those are the companies, and there are more and more companies that uses Python. Okay, because in this world, artificial intelligence has become the need. Okay, you can't, I mean, how can we evolve, how can we get those robots working without the artificial intelligence, without the mimicking the human mind? Okay, it's not, I mean, it's not that advanced right now. It's just we are starting with artificial intelligence right now. So these are the things that I wanted to tell you. It's a short introduction of what Python is and where we can use it and what we can do with this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, then please like and comment and tell me how do you feel about this video, what I left. If I left something, please do tell me. I'll be doing great next time. And please subscribe my channel, Code Fleet. It would be a great help for me. And in the next video, I also want to tell one thing. In the next videos that I'll be posting with the code, I'll be including the code and all the other files that I'll be using in the video in the description down below, so that you can download it directly without any problem. You just click on the link and you download the file, and you can use the code wherever you want. So that it's easy for all of us. Okay, so you can directly use my code, or you can I'll be also including my GitHub profile and LinkedIn profile. If you want to contact me, you can contact by LinkedIn profile. And if you want to download any other file, any other code, if you want to use anything from my repositories, you can directly go to my link in the GitHub and just play with that code. Okay, thank you so much.